Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Charles in Mississippi on this President Richard. Charles got this nice little radio set up for you here, our tune alignment, as well as the ERF 2030 Plus upgrade for durability on the two finals. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, 2 watts like you requested. Roll it all the way up. We're going to have to put the 50-watt slug in line. Ten watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 1, 2, hello. Gets up for about 30 bird. 100-watt slug in PEP. Hello, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 54 watts peak. Put it down here at 2 watts. Where you're gonna be running with the amp. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About the same. Hello, audio. So you don't get quite as much average power with it all the way down, but that's in order to keep it clean and mean. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Clean right there. No second order harmonics. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tons of modulation there, of course. At that level, it's gonna get you set up, man. Hey Charles, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.